There are many opportunities today to make genuine money. Some people go on to take side jobs like babysitting, pet sitting, and other short-term employment merely to earn a little dollar to keep things going. But the key point here is that they're only that short-term. There are also other, much more efficient ways to make money than this short-term employment chances. And I'm going to demonstrate them to you in this video right now. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. Online income generation has become fairly popular over how many years? Everything is so easily available because you can work from the convenience of your house while completing any necessary tasks, such as your employment. Remember that everything is set up for your comfort and convenience, so you have complete freedom to proceed at your own pace and time. For this reason, I'm going to teach you a brand new approach for making money online today that has been shown to be completely legal, efficient, and simple. You don't need to worry about any investment fees or other payments because this approach is completely free. You will also appreciate it because it can be used by a very wide range of individuals because it is accessible from anywhere in the world. You name it, the United States, the Philippines, India, Canada, and Australia. It is accessible everywhere. Wait till you learn about the prerequisites if you think that's also fantastic, because there are none. To complete the procedure, you don't need any special knowledge or training. All you need to do is be yourself. So, this approach simply sounds so ideal, right? So be sure to stick with me and watch the entire video because you're about to get your hands on this. Don't jump forward to avoid missing any important details required to profit from this strategy. You will first and foremost require a PayPal account. You should set up your PayPal account for this approach because this is where you'll claim your winnings. PayPal is the most trusted digital banking network in the world where anyone can send and transfer money extremely easily and without problem. Let me walk you through the process of opening a PayPal account if you don't already have one. I promise you that it is so simple that you can complete it while closing one eye. I want you to go to PayPal's official website now, paypal.com, where you'll be taken to their homepage. Simply click the blue sign up button in the upper right corner of the page. Following that, you'll be directed to a page where you're prompted to choose between creating a personal account and a business account. Of course, you'll choose personal account as you'll be utilizing it for yourself. Following that, you may begin the registration process by selecting your country of origin. The process that follows will be easy as pie, and in just 5 minutes or so, you'll have your very own PayPal account. Let's move on to the main website I'm going to show you in today's video now that you have your own PayPal account ready. It is known as BetaTesting.com. You'll be taken to their official website where you can see what they're all about as soon as you type it into your search bar and press enter. With the help of this platform, you may beta test with actual participants in actual settings. With the support of a global community of more than 250,000 real-world testers, you receive real-world engagement statistics and comments to help scale your products for Android, iOS, internet, desktop, and tech products. That's pretty fascinating, right? But given that the primary goal of this website is to determine whether your product will be well received in the marketplace, you may be thinking that you'll need a website or product to operate with it. Hold on to that thought for that time being. I'll explain everything later. Let's take a quick tour of the page first. You can see as you read down that beta testing has aided more than 1,500 businesses achieve stronger product launches. They also list the businesses that have worked with them. I'm sure you've acquainted with several, including Xerox, the New York Times, Musical.ly, Clef, and a plethora of others. Since it strives to assist business owners from all over the world determine whether their product can be sold, there can be no mistake about the legitimacy and integrity of this website. They take joy in the relevant data and feedback platform testers may supply, as well as the real-world testing features they offer. If you read a little further down, You may even see a couple of the really satisfied customers that have mentioned their services, and all in all, it's great. Your hands are undoubtedly eager to start working right away now that you've seen the amazing potential that this platform has to offer. I'll start working on it right now, I promise. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying the video. Else, let's get back to the video. Let's jump right to the fun stuff. Click on the link that says Join as Beta Tester in the upper right corner of the screen. When you click on it, you'll be directed to this page where you can now find out more about becoming a member of the community. Since you are not a business owner, your purpose in being here is to assist others in making decisions on the launch of their products while also using them yourself. Then, how does this operate? I'll sum it up in these 3 easy steps right here. Test new software, hardware, and websites as the first step. The second step is to do tasks, provide comments, and file bug reports. The third step is to earn between $10 and $20 for the majority of tests. If you come across any examinations that pay significantly more, you can even make more than that. You are welcome to join the community of more than 2 million early adopters from different ages and interests. Please feel free to look around the page further, as you may also find some frequently asked questions here, giving you a better understanding of what you're getting into. I suppose you're now free to follow this strategy once and for all by entering your email address right here in the space supplied after reading up on the commonly asked questions, as well as the other features of the website. Enter your email address now, and when you press the submit button, you'll be directed to this page so you can finish the registration process. It should be simple because the first section mostly concerns your personal profile and interests. Select a profile image, submit it to the website, and then set up your password. Your personal information, such as your first and last names, are then listed after this. The next questions are all very subjective, so just answer the ones that apply to you. Your primary television manufacturer and model number, the devices you use, your age, gender, nationality, time zone, zip code, level of education, range of household income, level of technical experience, the social networks you use most frequently, your employment status, your interests, categories, and your parentage status are all listed. There are no right or wrong answers to any of these questions because they are all based on your own self. Simply remove it and select the options that appear correct to you or are accurate in your particular situation. There's only one thing left to do after responding to all the questions. Click the blue Submit Registration button. The main components of this strategy are as follows, and you may start using it in as few steps as 1, 2, and 3 to start making money and achieving financial freedom. The tasks you'll be performing as part of beta testing are all individualized and subject to your own judgment, so all you have to do is adhere to the directions provided to achieve success. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoy this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.